So everybody's looking for the next big meme coin. We've talked about Mudang the hippo when it was very, very early on that chart for that meme on Solana. And now I'm going to talk about Peanut the squirrel because this meme is seemingly taking the market by storm right now. And I do believe that it has a chance for some more upside. My partner on this channel, Black actually bought a little bit of the Peanut the squirrel meme himself because he has the same feeling, it seems. I personally didn't buy any of this yet, but I'd be honest in saying that I am certainly thinking about it because I think that this meme is actually quite bigger than you might think it is at face value. So welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Let's talk about the new meme coin on Solana that people are talking about all over the internet. It's Peanut the squirrel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop into this. So right out of the gates, this is the squirrel, Peanut the squirrel. And at this point, I'm sure you've seen a lot of the different social media images from this squirrel. And it doesn't really show a lot on this, on this AP, Associated Press headline. But this squirrel, there's so many different videos of this squirrel playing with the owner, jumping on his shoulder, taking this squirrel had so many followers on the internet, and the owner did, that it was really crazy. And the reason this squirrel went viral recently, totally viral, and is all over crypto Twitter, is because this squirrel's timing, the timing of this tragic story with this little squirrel, couldn't have been any better or worse, you might say. Right now, we're in a presidential election, and this squirrel is becoming a political issue. So if you're looking for a political meme coin, maybe this checks the box, which is strange because it's a squirrel, but let's explain it a little bit. So this squirrel, again, has such a big following. Allegedly, the claim is apparently, and I got to do more digging on this, that a neighbor or another Instagram account was complaining because they were upset that they had a squirrel, or that they're upset because the squirrel was getting more followers than another individual. So somebody reported this squirrel to the government of sorts, some agency, and the government essentially raided the owner of this squirrel's apartment, and they took this squirrel and a raccoon apparently, and they euthanized them. They knocked down the door to the owner of the squirrel's house. They took the squirrel and this raccoon apparently, and they murdered him. And so now, on a day where we've got Bitcoin currently, yes, this is a crypto video, at $67,000 coming lower, we've all of a sudden got the Peanut the squirrel meme coin, which has attained a $70 million market cap in a very, very short stretch of time. I mean, this is literally this thing came out on 31st of October, and in now 4 short days, it's achieved a $70 million market cap. People are making money off this squirrel. Now, the question you have, obviously, is can you still make money off this squirrel? Well, you're never going to know. First of all, on Deck Screener, apparently there's no issues with the audit, the tool that they have here. So that's good to see. Now, is this going to be the next big meme? I don't know. I'll tell you this, though. I'm getting very Mudang hippo vibes. Mudang, the hippo coin, got to like 200 million in market cap or something like that. This coin's currently sitting at 71 million. Could it get to 200 million? Yeah. Could it get to 500 million? Yeah, it potentially could. Could it get to $1 billion? I don't know. It depends how long this meme lasts. But I'll tell you what, guys, this is the trend. All of a sudden, there's something hot that pops up on social media, like a baby pygmy hippo that goes viral, or now a tiny squirrel that was murdered by the government, apparently. And you tie that into a squirrel was murdered by the government during a presidential election right before the big explosion in a bull market, and now you've got a meme coin that goes from nothing to 72 million. I don't know really a lot about this coin. All I know is this is the coin, and there's many other peanut coins, but this particular one with the $72 million market cap, do your own research, figure it out for yourself, guys. Find the contract. You can go over to the Twitter account officially, and you could, look at some of this stuff, and let's just peek at the Twitter account. They've got 6,000 followers. And there you go. The New York State Department of Environment. This is the government agency that actually took down the squirrel. And so this is a big rebellion. People are investing money. The squirrel is going to live forever on in the cryptoverse, is what some people are saying. Do you think it's going to happen? I don't know. I'll tell you what. I think there's more upside for the squirrel. The reason being is because, first of all, it's quite the story. It's as big as the Mudang hippo story, if not bigger for some reason, again, because it's somehow tied into politics. The weird thing is Bitcoin dominance has been coming up, so altcoins are struggling. This coin, obviously, a meme, as we've seen so many times, is an outlier right now. But the key is this, guys. Bitcoin is getting very close to its previous highs. This weekly candle we're in right now closes in 4 hours, or almost 5 hours from the time of this recording, we were wicking close to a new high, very close to a new high. We did not achieve that high, and Bitcoin's dipping. Now, am I scared about Bitcoin dipping right now? Not really. In fact, I think it's very healthy to have a bounce off the top of this range, which we've already had a couple daily candle bounces off this range, but I've been saying in my videos lately that I believe, you know, when you look at the chart for Bitcoin right now, and actually let me fix this chart up. Excuse me, guys. I'll fix this chart up for you. When you look at Bitcoin right now and you just see what's going on here with this price action, this is all fine. This is all normal. This is healthy. I've been tweeting to that extent as well. And I think we could easily get another bounce off this candle. And that is that's trend line, which is something I've been talking about for a while. So what the idea is with Peanut the Squirrel is we're watching Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin goes into this big parabolic move to the upside, which historically speaking should be coming again, because you know that on average we see 42% gains in November. Right now we're down 3%. We are definitely oversold in the month of November, historically speaking. I believe that if Bitcoin can break through this range, which it should, and I think that it will, then we're going to see our total market cap break out, and then you have opportunities for coins like Moodang or Peanut the Squirrel to go a lot higher. Now, is it the next billion-dollar meme? I don't know, but I will say this. This meme is huge. People are talking about it, and I wanted to do a video about it because it's very interesting. It is taking over crypto Twitter right now, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are curious about it. I'll also say this in terms of total market cap. We did have a wick above this range, but we're coming back down into this range for altcoins and total market cap overall because, again, Bitcoin is extremely high in its dominance. I think it's overbought right now. I think Bitcoin is, in terms of its dominance, is probably an overbought position in terms of favoring Bitcoin dominance. At some point, Bitcoin dominance is going to come down, but I think Bitcoin is going to keep going up. And I just think that altcoins are going to rally. And I think the meme coins are huge. Again, you go over to CoinMarketCap and you look at what's going on all the time as trending categories. It's memes. It's the Solana ecosystem. Well, this is a part of both. And then it's also essentially a political meme coin at this point. Which is kind of crazy to think about. But anyway, there's my update on Peanut the Squirrel, currently sitting at almost $80 million market cap. Can it go higher? I do think so. I think that Peanut the Squirrel could 5 or 10x from here easily. Who knows? Maybe even more. If you've got thoughts on it, I want to know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. That's it. Quick little Sunday update for you guys over this squirrel that is taking the internet by storm right now. People are sad about this squirrel, and so they're degenning into a meme coin about it. Do you have any of this token? Let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts? Until next time, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.